guys, today on Ra's channel I got a very special guest, my cousin, and she has a Microlite, a My Little Pony Microlite, and I have a Shopkins that it's my first Shopkins, by the way, and I got the Season 3 Shopkins. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, right? You can show it in the camera. Here's the back, and let's start it. And I only found one at Target, so I only took this one. It's my first Shopkin. Never opened one Shopkin before, and I'm hoping for the macaroon. And I'm gonna show you all the checklist, you guys. Actually, all the checklist. Here it is. Here's some. Wait, I gotta. Here's the front. Here's the back. Well, this is the front. Here's the back. So now let's go and oh, that's cool. Going to the first one. What I am gonna get? I'm hoping for the macaroon. So if I get the macaroon, it'll be good. What did I got? What? Oh, I got some grapes. Nice. Oh, that fell. Nice. Some grapes. And in here, what am I gonna get? I think I know what I'm gonna get in here. A party set or something like that. Here's the party set. So I'm gonna search their names really quick, and I'm gonna show their names. So you're gonna show how it lights up. So this is okay. The first one I got. This is Asbury Raspberry. And the last one is here it is, Bunny Barrett. Bunny Barrett. So this one were the two Shopkins I got for today. Hope next time I'll get two more Shopkins and good Shopkins. The one I want is where it is? Where's it? Here it is, macaroon, but I didn't get it. But it's okay because it's really cool. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye.